Hello and welcome to the section 2 of the course Parametric Models. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about the various parametric models and also show you various examples here. So let's start with the first video of section 2, Multiparametric Models. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We will learn about multiparametric models here and also explain you about the working of these kind of models. So let's start with the first model, PYMC3. So as we already using PYMC3, so we know that it is a multi-parametric model. How it is? Because it uses various kind of parameters. Like you can see in the figure here that there are three parameters here: theta a, theta b, and log p x theta a comma theta b, right? So that's why it is called parametric model. There is also another kind of model like linear regression models, hierarchical models are also available. So that's why these models are called multiparametric models. Here you can see the examples of multiparametric model. Like in the first, you can see that single linear regression, various parameters are used here like y, b0, x1, x2 till xn. So there are various variables are available here and various parameters are available here. So this is a multi-parametric model. Similarly, hierarchical regression is also available here, in which you can see there are various kind of parameters are used, binomial, a, b, and their values. So these are the examples of multi-parametric model.